listeners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate. We will study about the definition of coordination as given by J.D. Mooney, wherein he states that coordination is about arranging the efforts of people who are working in groups, and their action must be organized in such a way that they move together in the same direction. Therefore, the emphasis is on the group efforts, the unity of action, and a common purpose, wherein how the organization achieves its goal by integrating the efforts of the group of people and with the unity of their action for the purpose of achieving the common goal. The unity and the action for the purpose of common goals, wherein work done by many people must be properly planned and acting together. There is a shared objective for achievement of the goals. How? By coordinating the people who are work in a group, many people who work in a group, and with the help of proper planning and sequencing, their work is arranged in a properly manner when acting together, which means there is a unity of action. Why? For the purpose of a common goal, achievement of the purpose, there is an objective which is shared by those people who are working together in a group. Shared objectives, that is the common purpose, and ongoing effort towards goal, achievement of the goal, which means that there is a continuous pursuit of achievement of their goals, wherein this definition can be explained as coordination means harmonizing human efforts. It connects people with people, does not, and not only machines alone. It ensures that coordination turns into result. When a team works together and with a coordination, they make sure that they are working as a team. They are working as a team, as a group on the task, wherein the work is orderly planned, orderly arranged. The arrangement is as per order, that is planned, systematic, in a disciplined manner, and there is a logical sequencing. Therefore, coordination is not an accidental activity, it is planned. When the instructions flow from top to the bottom, it is not random, it is a sequencing. That is arrangement. Arrangement means placing efforts in the right position. What does who, which person is doing what things, who does what, when it is done, how it is linked with others. For example, producing before sales, production before sales planning creates wastage. Therefore, planning is before production, and which leads to proper arrangements. If production is done without proper planning, without self planning, then it creates a waste, and a proper arrangement is not done here. Placing efforts in the right position, working on a thing in the right position at the right time. Group efforts. Group efforts refers to collective work, the joint activities, and the interdependence of the task. Coordination exists only when that one person is included. Coordination exists only when more than one person is involved. So, it is a group effort activity by persons joining their hands together, and those tasks are interdependent, interlinked to each other, which means that w- which person will doing me what thing is done when it is to be done is arranged, but the efforts are orderly, systematically, disciplined manner arranged, and with the help of instructions, the work is done. The work is done in a proper flow, wherein there is an interdependence of the task. The single worker doesn't need coordination, a department needs a coordination, a group effort needs coordination for the purpose of provide, which means that coordination is created intentionally, not naturally. Managers coordinate to ensure that smooth functioning and is done, and unity to provide unity. That is one wholeness, togetherness. There is a shared direction. Without unity, group efforts become a conflict. Therefore, all departments who are working together in the same target for the achievement of the same target, all the departments, they put their efforts in a combined manner, in an arranged manner for the purpose of achievement of a goal. That is, there is a unity. For the purpose of smooth functioning, they ensure coordination and these actions are unified. That is, the group efforts become important. All departments working together towards the same target. Action. Action means it means the actual performance and not just planning. When planning is done, for example, a sales plan is prepared and production is done. Production is done according to the plan, and which means that it is a proactive activity which helps to ensure that all the works are properly arranged and fall one after the another, done one after the another in an orderly manner by a group of individuals. And it is a continuous efforts. Action means the actual performance with respect to planning. Coordination reflect the execution. Plans are coordinated and executed with success, and thus in pursuit means that is the continuous efforts. There is an ongoing movement and active chasing of the goals. This running behind the goals, this implementation of the planning towards resulting in coordination, and thus which ensures that coordination is not a one time, it is a continuous. There is a common purpose. Common purpose, common goals means there is a one shared goal, one destination, one objective. The coordination is successful when the purposes are same, when the purposes are combined. Therefore, common purpose, one shared goal, one destination, one objective. When the sales department is having as aligned to the production department, and the finance wants the cost cutting and the marketing, which ensures expansion. At that time, coordination is required. Coordination will fail when the purposes are different. There is a one common purpose, the common goal, and this ensure that group efforts are made, group efforts are orderly arranged so that it ensures there is synchronization and the efforts are done with the proper amount, timing, and direction, which ensures that the actions are unified for the purpose of achievement of the objectives. There is a systematic plan arrangement of how coordination ensures activities are arranged logically and systematically. Workers are assigned their duty clearly. Therefore, without coordination, there is no order, and without order, there is no coordination. Doing things together, matching the timing, and when the raw material arrives, the production starts, which states that raw material should arrive before the production starts, and marketing begins. The department of sales marketing activity begins after production is ready. This human efforts, group efforts, are activities of individuals, and this coordination is concerned with the people efforts. The work done, which means to provide a unity of command, which states that efficiency, coordination balances the efforts and how much effort is needed, which requires right sequencing. Activities must be done when they are needed, not earlier or later. That which means that inspection of production is done after the production, not before. Salary payment is made at the end of the month, not before, not randomly. Therefore, timing converts effectiveness. That means it provides unity of direction and towards the proper in the pursuit of common purpose, which gives the correct path, the common direction. Therefore, everyone in the group, in an organization, works towards the same goals, not in different direction. Therefore, direction prevents conflict and contradiction. The actual performances, which means the implementation, is not about planning, it is about execution. Coordination ensures plans are executed smoothly, and there is a peaceful and cooperative efforts for the purpose of achievement of the goals in an organization towards unified purposes, unified action, acting as a one collective movement through individuals. Though individuals may be different, but coordination makes them acting as a single unit. Therefore, clearly defined goals and common purpose, the stated objectives ensures that only because of there is a goal. For example, achievement of a profit, growth objective, delivery of services, customer satisfaction. Therefore, objective ensures coordination, systematic arrangement of working in time, and human efforts are required for the purpose of achievement of common goals and actual action which ensures unity of action, that is acting as a one, and achievement of the common goals. Therefore, this ensures integrating and balancing the individual efforts into group efforts and properly arranged, orderly arranged, timely, and directed towards achieving a common organizational goals, objectives in pursuit of right work done at the right time. Therefore, group efforts are properly arranged with the unity of action for the purpose of achieving common goals, and individuals who work in a group and they coordinate their actions towards unified organizations. Small streams are arranged in a singular river, and the destination is towards the people. That is, the people coordinate they towards unity of action for the purpose of achieving goals. People, coordination, unity, purpose. These are the common words which we can link. Therefore, as per JD Money, coordination is a systematic arrangement of the collective efforts of individuals so as to secure unity in their actions and direct them towards achievement of a shared goals. Order plus group efforts plus unit of action plus common purpose results in achieving the coordination.